Nothing says home cooking like this stuffed zucchini and eggplant recipe. Start by making the stuffing 1 pound of ground beef, washed, uncooked rice. You're gonna season with salt, black pepper, cinnamon, and allspice. Add ghee and mix well. Set aside and start working on the zucchini. Remove the top and the bottom. Use a corer to hollow the inside. Don't overdo it though. This is perfect. Add the meat mixture enough to fill 3/4 of the zucchini. Don't pack too much, leave 1 inch empty just like so. Do the same thing with the eggplants. Fill, set aside. Fill the pot with hot boiling water. Place on top of the stove. Add tomato sauce or tomato paste. Season with salt. You can weigh down the vegetables with a plate. Cover and let it cook on medium heat for about 45 to 1 hour or until it's buttery soft and the rice is cooked to perfection. Give it a try. It's one of the most delicious home comforting dishes and it's really much easier than you think. Eggplant is my favorite. What's yours? So good and perfect for fall. Give it a try. Recipe in the caption below.